Morning, out here to do some pheasant hunting, trying out a new area, Table Mountain in Wyoming. Got Hayes behind me, Blake all bundled up because he's cold, and Jace and Liberty running around here somewhere. Had a nice sunrise, the wind finally died down, but we're taking off that way some direction and we're gonna go shoot some birds. So what are you thinking? Hey there, so we got back from pheasant hunting, Table Mountain. It was extremely windy. I'm talking like 50 to miles an hour wind with gust up to 70. Started off real good. Ended up with one pheasant and a jackrabbit and a cottontail. But the wind was just so bad, nothing wanted to flush up into the air and just didn't see a whole lot of birds. So we called it quits after a couple hours, 3-4 hours, and birds weren't flying and came back home. Gonna try to get back out later this week and hopefully have some more footage for you. If you'd like the videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell your buddies about it, or your wives, girlfriends, whoever's hunting outdoors enthusiast. More content coming your way.